But keep an eye on this little low pressure system. It's going to be the main factor of what's really going to spark a big time system going into Friday and Saturday. Well, there's that cold front. It's going to drop down towards the south. It's going to stay there Thursday evening. And it's going to slowly drop down going into Friday morning. And that's where we start to see a little bit of a mess further down towards the south. There's that low pressure system. It's going to try to engage with this cold front. Notice some colder air right here. We're going to be cold at this time. Lunchtime on Friday, we're talking some single digits, maybe 5 degrees. But warmer air down here, some rain, and then a little bit of freezing rain, some snow in Kansas, Oklahoma City. Let's go later into Friday afternoon, Friday evening. That just really starts to expand. Of course, dry air is going to be on the back side of this, so some spots might not see that much snow, but we do start to see some snow here in our southern counties in Nebraska as early as late night Friday going into Saturday morning. But notice all of this ice right here, that freezing rain dropping all the way down to parts of I-20 and north. It's going to be a decent mess if you have any travel plans anywhere down towards the south. And that's going to continue all the way through Saturday and Sunday, taking over much of the east and the southeast. We're still going to be dealing with a little bit of snow. Well, Friday, like I mentioned, wind chills Friday morning, 15 to 25 degrees below zero. And then that light snow chance will begin Friday night going into Saturday morning and afternoon. There's the wind chills as we go into Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. It's going to be very, very blustery. Well, what do we have out here? Some stratus clouds, some good old stratiform clouds, a little bit of a lower level cloud, a little blanket, so it's a little thicker. So that's why the sun's really not showing out near Beatrice. ABC Seamless Cam, a little bit of upper level clouds. The sun's able to break through those thinner clouds. 24 right now in Lincoln, 28 in Beatrice, 30 out towards Aurora. Hooray! 39 in Thetford, Alliance, no 40s just yet. Well, that'll be 33 in North Platte. So we're warming up, a lot warmer than yesterday, actually. Southwest winds 5 to 15, maybe 20 miles per hour in the middle of the state. It's going to give a little bit of a wind chill out there. Broken Bow was at about 30 degrees. They feel about 14, 15 degrees colder. There's those upper level clouds right about here and a few elevated flurries going through Kippahaw County. That's due to that system off towards the northwest currently. And that's going to be taking its path right there. But we will see that cloud cover continue. Sunshine will break through some of those here in the next few hours, 2 to 3 p.m. Far northeast Nebraska seeing a little bit of a light snow showers and some flurries, and maybe a chance for a few flying flurries later this evening if you have any travel plans north of the Omaha Metro or Lincoln. Clear skies tonight, a little bit cold, dry tomorrow, but a little windy, a little on the warm side, but that cold front will move through by the evening time, bringing us the colder air. For the rest of today, upper 30s, tonight 12 degrees, clear skies. There's Thursday, 35 degrees, but then a cold front will just sink in. Friday, Arctic air, 8 degrees, and that's when the wind chills really start to pick on up. The weekend just looks pretty cold. Next week, low to mid 30s with some sunshine in there and maybe a small snow chance in the mid to late next week.
All right,